Hey, so are you looking at Infinity Processing System and you're wondering what it is? Or maybe you're trying to get more sales to it so you can make a $300 sale or a $150 sale or a $50 sale, right? So basically, Infinity Processing System has some marketing training in it that when you resell these products, you get a commission. Now it's peer to peer, and so, whatever you sell is yours. You get all the commissions for it, but it's a one-time commission, so you have to make sales with this consistently to make any money, right? And what I always tell people who sell anything is to always have bonuses with their offers, right? Bonuses are very important to help you to be able to get sales and get people to see what you have to offer, right? So here's Infinity Processing System. Here's the pages. They design your own site for you. And then you have the option of getting, one of these packages. So here's a $50, a $150, or a $300, and you earn on those levels. And they design your site for you. So whenever you make a sale, those commissions are actually yours, right? The problem with this page though is everybody's using this page, so there's nothing that helps you to actually stand out from everybody else in this opportunity. Because they create a page for everybody, right? So there's nothing unique about it that is tailored towards you, really. It looks like all the other ones that they may have seen, right? So it's important to actually build a system around what you're doing and use social media and use content creation to be able to make sales. Now, when you make sales, it's 100% yours, and you may be asking, well, how do I get traffic to it? Well, if you come over here to profitbutterstraffic.com, here's my traffic store, and I tend to get people very, very high results with their paid traffic. So when they get traffic from me, my goal is to actually make sure that your target, your traffic, and your offers are congruent, and then I want to make sure that your pages and your copy are congruent as well. And then you want to get high quality traffic, so you want to know who you're getting traffic from, where you're getting traffic from. And if you're getting paid traffic, I'd highly suggest getting it from me because I'm one of the best in the business as of now. And I help people to actually get results. So I would use Facebook, YouTube, and email to be able to make your sales, right? And so it's very important to know where your traffic is coming from when you get it from somebody who sells solo ads. So basically, my traffic comes from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're getting the highest quality traffic out there that you could possibly get, and it's very important that you do so. So when you order a traffic package from me, what happens is I help you to set up and manage your funnels and whatever offers that you have. I give you the highest converting pages that convert up to 85%. Now it's 90%. This is what I do with the people that I work with, by the way. And then I want to help you to build a list of highly engaged people and know your opt-in rate and conversion rate. It's very important to know those stats and be able to track when you're doing paid traffic. And then the list that you build, like I said, it's going to be highly engaged with only highly engaged people. So step one to do this is, you select your, package of traffic below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. So once you select what traffic package you want, then we could do a campaign review where I help you to get the highest conversions possible. And if you need help and assistance with your paid traffic, you could schedule a strategy call. With the strategy call, I tell you about the custom funnel setup that I do and help you to actually get results. And then within 72 hours or less, I launch your campaign and help you to get the highest conversion possible. Here's my highest conversion rate here. It's 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales on 200 clicks. Now, it's 90% opt-in rate. That's unheard of in the industry, and I have plenty of testimonials. So just go and look at the testimonials before you order. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1, which is always the best. And then here's questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, chances are your questions are down here. So you're going to want to look down here to see if your questions can be answered down there. And here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic. You will get no bots. It'll be 100% real. And I guarantee you, quality. So if you have any issues with your order, I cannot issue refunds because it's paid traffic. Just keep that in mind. I do not issue refunds, but what I can do is I can compensate you in traffic. So if you have any issues with your order, I will compensate you in traffic. I will help you out to the best of my ability. All you have to do is reach out and let me know that you're having issues. I will be happy to help you. You can do it down here, or you can find me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and connect with me personally on Facebook. I will respond to you if you have any questions. If you want to get to this page, make sure you click on the link below this video, and it will bring you to this traffic page where you could get your order. Also, get into my Facebook group. It's below this video. In my Facebook group, I give tips, tricks, and training on how to build and scale your business online. It's a free group, so it doesn't cost you anything. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, talk to you soon, and bye for now.